ROG Zephyrus GX701 Gaming Laptop GX701GX-XB78. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. This is my first impression, will update as I get more time with it. It just arrived 5 days early and it doesn't disappoint, thank you Amazon. The first thing that struck me was the high quality of both packaging and build. And it's very light in the hand for its screen size. The touchpad is on the right of the keyboard and doubles as the numeric pad. It feels narrow and awkward initially but becomes second nature after an hour or so. I'm right-handed. But to be honest, whoever buys a 17 inches gaming laptop will definitely be using a mouse with it. I live in a dusty environment that plagues my old ROG G73JH, but thankfully this laptop comes with 2 fans equipped with anti-dust technology. Under load they are audible in a quiet room, but once the game sound kicks in you won't notice them. The large screen, GPU and G-Sync do drain battery life, but thankfully ASUS added a feature to disable all that at the touch of a button. Noticed many reviewers fail to mention that G-Sync drains more battery life when comparing this laptop to a non-G-Sync laptop like the MSI GS75 for example. The day I received this beast of a machine was probably the best of my life. This was the first steps into great graphics, speedy response times, and ultimate gaming heaven for me when dealing with laptops. Personally, I've built my own custom rigs and had full-blown setups with 3 monitors having high refresh rates, latest and greatest in graphics, and all the bang for your buck. However, I joined the military and had to get rid of it all, but I was in the market for something powerful but portable. After many hours of careful consideration from credible sources and great videos, shout out to LTT for the best review, I came across this beauty. Now, I've had a day to get used to the machine and set it up just the way I like it, and without a shadow of doubt, this thing is as close to a full-blown tower setup as you'll get. The smooth monitor, best in graphics for laptops, easy gliding keyboard, and software that help enhance the overall experience when using this beauty. Anybody who is looking into buying this and is unsure, trust me when I say that it's well worth the money and will not let you down. Thank you for this great laptop. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.